Hello everyone, Eid Mubarak to everyone. Today we'll know about jumping rope versus runnings. So which is the better? So we'll know today. Jumping rope and running. So let's start now. Okay. Cardio is an effective workout for burning more calories in a short period of time. It is not only calories you burn. Cardio is important for maintaining good heart health. Jumping ropes and running are two effective cardio workouts. The question most people ponder when deciding if they should invest time jumping rope is whether or not it will deliver result. Most want to know if jumping rope is or challenging or better than running. The answer is simply yes. Jumping rope is working most muscles of your body. Your arms, shoulders, core and legs are engaged when jumping rope, which provides a more efficient workout than jogging or treadmill. Since muscles require oxygen to provide energy, the more muscles involved in an activity, the more oxygen you need to bring into your body. That's why you start breathing more heavily. A study led by John and Baker North Arizona State University, the study divided 92 male students into two groups. Half of the group skipped rope for 10 minutes a day. The other half jogged for 30 minutes a day. After 6 weeks, the men were administered the Harvest Step test to measure their cardiovascular gain. Each group showed an equal level of improvement. Skipping burned around 1000 calories in an hour. Running does around 600-700 calories in 1 hour. A person can run for an hour and burn around 500 to 600 calories. But skipping for an hour doesn't sound ideal. In simple words, the easiest way to burn calories is running. An effective way to burn calories is skipping. Why jumping rope is safer and more effective? To with heel strike, running by forcing you to hand on the toes. Jumping rope prevents the common forces you would be subject. Jumping rope uses the untapped power in the calves and the combined power of the quads, hamstrings, glutes and core. The following statistics on jump roping were found on the Jump Rope Institute website found 1996 by former Olympian Buddy Lee. According to his site, research has shown jumping rope for a minimum of 5 minutes a day can improve physical fitness. And when you do 10 minutes of non-stop jumping at 120 rpm it can provide the same benefit as 30 minutes of jogging, 30 minutes of racket and handball playing, 2 sets of tennis singles and 720 yards of swimming. Isn't this amazing? Benefits of ropes overshadow the running. In reality, it is all about sustainability and preference. I will prefer to jumping rope. Running is safer. Do let us know what you prefer in your workouts.